Hey guys, so I want to talk right now about rounding numbers. So today we're going to take the number 12,483 and we want to round this number to the nearest thousand. To do this, first I'm going to make a quick place value chart. So my place value chart I know starts with the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. I could keep going to the millions period, but I am out of space. Draw some quick lines. I'm ready to put my number in my place value chart. Always starting in the ones place and moving our way left. So 3, 8, 4, 12, don't forget your comma, and 1. So rounding to the nearest thousands place, I want to find the number in the thousands place, which would be my 2. I want to circle 2 and 4. So when I'm looking at this, I'm only looking right now at the number in the bubble, which is 24. I'm trying to think, what 2 tens is 24 in between? When I say 24, I hear 20. If I'm counting 10, 20, the next 10 would be 30. So then we just decide, is 24 closest to 20 or 30? We know that 24 is closest to 20, so under my bubble, I'll write 20. Everything after my bubble becomes a 0. Everything before my bubble stays the same. So 12,483 rounded to the nearest thousand would give me 12,000.